Hi everybody, it's Mark from Diminutive Kingdom. Thank you for joining me this morning, and I am pleased to show you a 2024 Elddis Accordo 105. So the vehicle is brand new, it's just arrived into stock and it's available for your viewing. So it's a very compact motorhome, 2-bed, 2-berth, 2 travelling seat belts, so you can only travel 2 and sleep 2. It's got the wind out one on the side. Really nice black and chrome finished alloy wheels. It's on the Peugeot manual gearbox, which is a 2.2 140 horsepower engine, and it's super inside, and I cannot wait to show you. But what we'll do is we'll start on the outside. So running down the passenger side, you've got your gas locker just there. Nice big window that takes you inside to the living area, lets a lot of lateral light in. You've got your fly screen on your habitation door, and you've also got a blackout blind on the window to the door as well. Domestic wind out awning, and it's got a digital television up on the roof as well, but you can't see it. Round to the back, up above the Elddis badge, you've got your reverse camera, which shows up on the digital screen in the cab, and then you've got housing for the bike rack if you want to add one at a later date. Being the end bathroom and shower, you've got your toilet cassette just inside here. The shower is absolutely fantastic, by the way. It's a separate shower cubicle, but we'll show you that when we get around there. And then you've got your water infill, waste and clean water exits underneath, and then just inside here is where you plug in your electric cable. This one we've had specced with the cab blinds and the windscreen blind, and then it's got a really nice chunky Peugeot leather steering wheel. Now we're going to jump round onto the interior. I've got a new cameraman today with me, so James, if the picture's nice and steady, you can thank his hand for that. James, if you want to jump in, we're going to start down at the cab. So first off, you can see being 24, we've got that new digital display screen right in the centre console there. So that's got all your mobile apps, phone connectivity, DAB radio. Your reverse camera shows up on the digital screen, which is attached to the rear view mirror. Then you've got your gearbox, all the controls for the air conditioning, that sort of bits and bobs. Driver and passenger seat, captain seats both swivel, so they can turn it into the lounge area. So you can sit 2 or 3 people in here if you want to for a nice dining area. And then your fold out bed is really simple to use. So you've got these 2 long bench seats, plenty of storage cupboards underneath there as well, and then these just pull together to make one large double bed, which you sleep transverse across the van, and lots of storage for a compact van as well. Really well illuminated with the LED strip lights as well, so it's all plugged in and powered on. Lots of storage, lots of space. Really nice sort of little movable nighttime 12-volt reading lights in here as well. And again, lots and lots of lockers. Big skylights, one over the front of the passenger and driver's seat, so that lets a lot of light in. Then you've got a couple that run down the length of the van as well, so they let a lot of natural light in. Really great kitchen area, good sized sink. You've got a 3-way fridge freezer, runs off gas 12-volt or 240. A 3-ring gas hob and a separate oven and grill. Lots of storage in the kitchen area, and then you've got this big cupboard here as well, where you've also got your digital television area, hanging rail. There's a freestanding table strapped back in there as well, and then all the controls for the power and the lighting are just next to the habitation door. Into the back, probably a little bit too big for us to both to be in at the same time. But then you've got a lot of changing space in there as well, so if you are wanting to use it as like somewhere to get dressed in the morning, if you want something a little bit more private, there's a lot of room in there, lots of storage in there as well, and a really good sized shower cubicle. It's nice because usually with Elddis, some of the vans, they come with a wet room. This one, totally different, and you've got that proper shower unit. So people looking for a sub 6 metre, lightweight, nice compact 2-berth van, it's absolutely lovely. The new finish on the interior with the new cushions, all the new fabric and materials, it's really light and airy for a small van. Doesn't feel like you're in a small van at all. It's absolutely superb. It's been laid out beautifully, brand new for 2024, and it's available on site. So if you'd like any more information, my name's Mark, feel free to give us a call and I'll speak to you soon.